Hello everybody, welcome to Fan of Obesity. My name is Cyrus, and a couple of days ago,
Hi.
on the 11th, I watched In a Violent Nature from, I think, Shudder.
No.
Shudder made it.
Yay.
And it was pretty bad.
What? Why is it pretty bad?
Okay, thank you, audience, for asking me. So I'm gonna go to my cons. First one was the last 15 minutes. If you take that out, it would be amazing. Well, not amazing, but it would be a lot better if you just took that part out.
I'm going to take that part
And
out.
I'm just gonna say what it is, because it's not much of a spoiler. You just follow the final girl, and that's it. She goes to the doctor, and it's so boring because it adds nothing to the plot. And it's just a long conversation, probably a metaphor, I don't know, of time in this movie is dedicated to this dude walking. Why?
Look at your giraffe.
And the acting is horrible.
Look at your giraffe. Look at your giraffe.
I'm looking. The acting is absolutely horrible. Like, the first people that died, like, I don't like you, get out of here. It's so bad. Like, I'm pretty sure a 4-year-old can act better than them. I hope nobody comes and gets me. Who are you?
None.
What are you doing here? Why do you have a screwdriver? What are you doing? Why are you just pointing it at me? What are you doing? No! I'm gonna sit down. Wow, a 4-year-old did act better. The directing is pretty good, but if you cut down those long scenes, it would have been better. The directing, and there's a scene that people say is so gruesome and scary, but it feels childish, which I think there's a scene also in the movie where the big guy, Johnny or whatever, he's like playing with a car because he's a 4-year-old in the mind, and that's probably my favorite scene. But then he's like all of a sudden intelligent when he's killing people. It makes me kind of mad. If they had more scenes of the killer being a killer and a child at the same time, like a killer with curiosity, it would have been much better. I just wish the plot sounds amazing, but what they did with it was pretty bad. Tune in tomorrow for Inside Out review. Final rating 2 out of 10. Bye, and enjoy this feature film by a 4-year-old.
Okay, I'm gonna go here. Wait, what? Who are you? Wait, what are you doing?
Get it.
Now you. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you
I'm
doing?
gonna chase after you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Please don't do this, please.